Hey, good morning, guys. Rainy morning here, but still want to do a little bit of flying here. I've raised my rates in Flight 1 to around 600, and I'm trying to get used to these new rates get my timing on my rolls and flips down to when you change your rates, you've got to get used to your quad. I really like these high rates, so this is testing those higher rates and seeing if I need to raise D any. After reviewing the footage and everything here, I see two things I need to do. The yaw D needs to come up just a little bit, or maybe 2 points, and it'll be set right in where I like it. Feels awesome. I'm seeing too much stick movement. Every little bitty minute movement I'm making with the sticks, I'm seeing it in the film. So I need to increase my RC smoothing a little bit. I have it turned all the way off right now and using brain drain. So I'm going to stick with brain drain, leave it on because I really like the connected feel. But I'm going to raise my RC smoothing a little bit and see if that don't make for a much smoother flight and take out some of those little small glitches. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for some more footage. I hope this rain stops.